this is Marvin again. This is Britslot channel, so welcome to my channel. And today's recipe is Bicol Express, pork Bicol Express. Okay, so we will gonna prepare our ingredients. We will start off with our garlic. So ayan. Since we don't have the mortar and pestle, so just press. Let's chop it. Followed by the onion, 1 piece of onion. Next is the pepper chili. So it depends on your tolerance again to spicy foods. You can add more if you want to. Anyway, it's a Bicol Express, so that means it has to be really spicy. Okay, and the green pepper chili. Have 4 to 5 pieces of it. And the rest of the ingredients are, we have the kakang gata. It's the first yung unang gata ng niyog. So we're using the fresh coconut milk. And this is, we have ito na yung second na gata, yung pangalawang gata niya. And the main ingredients is pork. Of course, I'm always using liempo, so it has a mix of meat and the fats. Okay, and of course we have the bagoong. Okay, so this bagoong is we already cooked it, so it's not that salty anymore. Okay, so let's get it started. Nagpainit na tayo ng ating frying pan, and then lagyan natin ng cooking oil. Hayaan natin siyang uminit. And pag mainit na yung mantika, lagay na natin yung garlic. Until it's press a little para lumasa yung bawang sa mantika. Then add the onion. Add the pork. Add the pork. Kaya lang natin siya guys na masangkot siya or let it simmer. And then ayan guys, kita nyo para na siya nagmamantika. So medyo slight na pirito na siya. Pwede na natin pinalitan yung ating sinangkot siya ang mga taba. Ayan. Ihalo na natin siya. Next natin guys is yung pangalawang gata. Yan. Para naman lumambot ngayon yung ating karne. Yan. Pakuluan lang natin siya ngayon ng mga 10 to 15 minutes. Ayan guys. So after 10 minutes, pwede na natin i-add yung ating sili. Natin yung ating bagoong. Ayan guys. Guys, hinuli kong binagay yung bagoong kasi ito naman, ginisa na namin. Pero pagka ang gagamitin nyo, yung hindi gisado, isama nyo siya sa pag-isa sa umpisa. Tapos lagay na rin natin yung ating kakang gata. Ayan. Kaya ano natin siya kumulo ng another 10 minutes. Ayan. So ayan guys, luto niya. Ayan, nakikita niyo po yung nagmantika na yung ano natin, yung pinakagata natin. So yun ang maganda sa ano, ang bango guys. Yun yung maganda pagka fresh yung ginagamit natin gata. Ayun, nagmamantika siya ng ano. Nag-ano na siya. So, haluin natin guys. So, kain na tayo.